How to enable crossfade between songs on Spotify. Ever wish your Spotify playlist flowed like a DJ set? Let's enable crossfade. So what is crossfade? Crossfade blends the end of the track into the beginning of the next for seamless playback. So on your device, head over into the Your Library section, click on your profile icon, and then select Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and open the playback settings into the section, and then look for the crossfade section and set the crossfade duration. Take note that Crossfade does not work with Spotify Connect devices, and Automix may override it in created playlists. So for smooth transitions, set Crossfade to 5 to 7 seconds combined with gapless playback for uninterrupted session. So make sure to enable the gapless playback as well. And that is how you can basically enable Crossfade on Spotify.